Important peaks and passes of Jammu and Kashmir. First we talk about major mountain peaks. Nun Peak, 7,135 meters. The highest peak in the Union Territory, located in the Zinskar Range near Kargil, twin peak with Kuhn. Kuhn Peak, 7,077 meters. Lies close to Nun Peak, together forming the Nun-Kuhn Massif in the Great Himalayas. Kolhoi Peak, 5,425 meters. Known as the Matterhorn of Kashmir, situated in the Lidar Valley near Pahalgam. Harmukh Peak, 5,142 meters. Located north of Srinagar, sacred in Hindu tradition and associated with the origin of the Ganga. Tatkuti Peak, 4,760 meters. Situated in the Pir Panjal Range, visible from Shopian and Poonch. Afarwat Peak, 4,390 meters. Near Gulmarg, a popular destination for skiing and tourism. Sunset Peak, 4,745 meters. Also called Romesh Thong, part of the Pir Panjal Range. Nanga Parbat, 8,126 meters. Located in the Gilgit-Baltistan region, now under Pakistan-administered area, visible from some northern parts. Now we talk about important mountain passes. Banihal Pass, 2,835 meters. Connects Jammu with the Kashmir Valley through the Pir Panjal Range, now bypassed by the Jawahar Tunnel and New Banihal Kajigund Tunnel. Jojila Pass, 3,528 meters. Connects Srinagar with Leh, remains snow-covered for many months. Pensila Pass, 4,400 meters. Connects the Suru Valley with the Zinskar Valley in Kargil. Pir Panjal Pass, 3,489 meters. Historically important route between Rajouri and Shopian. Sinthan Pass, 3,748 meters. Links Kokernag in Kashmir with Kishtwar in Jammu. Changla Pass, 5,360 meters. Connects Leh with Pangong Lake, one of the highest motorable passes. Khardangla Pass, 5,359 meters. One of the highest motorable passes in the world, connecting Leh with Nubra Valley. Fotula Pass, 4,108 meters. The highest point on the Srinagar-Leh highway, located between Kargil and Leh. Let's talk about River of Jammu and Kashmir. Rivers of Jammu and Kashmir. Main drainage system. The Union Territory is drained by several important rivers that are part of the Indus River system. These rivers originate in the Himalayas and flow through deep valleys and gorges. Major rivers. Jhelum River. the most important river of the Kashmir Valley, originates from Verinag Spring in Anantnag district, flows through Srinagar, Wular Lake, and enters Pakistan near Uri. Main tributaries: Sindh, Lida, Vishav, and Poharu. Chenab River, formed by the confluence of Chandra and Bhaga rivers near Kedlong, Himachal Pradesh, enters Jammu and Kashmir near Kishtwar, flows through Doda, Ramban, and Raisi, and later joins the Jhelum in Pakistan. Indus River originates from the Mansarovar Kailash region in Tibet, enters Ladakh near Demchok and flows through Leh, Neoma, and Kargil. Major tributaries in Ladakh: Zanskar, Shyok, Nubra, and Dras rivers. Tavi River originates from the Kailash Kund Glacier in Bhaderwa, Doda district, flows through Jammu city before joining the Chenab in Pakistan. Ravi River originates from Bara Bhangal, Himachal Pradesh, flows along the Kathua border region in Jammu before entering Punjab. Lakes and wetlands connection. Many rivers are connected with famous lakes such as Dal, Wular, and Mansar, which regulate local hydrology. Hydropower potential. The rivers have strong gradients, making them ideal for hydroelectric projects like Baglihar, Dalhasti, and Uri. Agricultural importance. The Jhelum and Chenab basins support the fertile alluvial plains of Kashmir and Jammu. Religious and cultural value. Rivers like Jhelum, Vitasta, are sacred in Hindu mythology and mentioned in ancient texts. Flooding and sedimentation. The Kashmir Valley sometimes faces floods due to heavy rain and snowmelt, especially along the Jhelum.